don't have any electricity because they're off grid.
They're off grid.
The boondocks. So this has a 16,000 watt inverter, 32 kilowatt hours of battery storage. It's a 10K trailer, so you can park your car in there, or you could load whatever you want in there.
So it's a portable electrical.
Yes, so it'll power the average size house 90% of the time.
Wow.
If you have a lot of rain, like if you live in an area that doesn't get a lot of sun, then you may need a generator. Or if you're hooked to the grid, obviously you can go back and forth from the grid.
Right.
It'll save a homeowner a lot of money, or it'll run a tiny house.
So you would
100% of the time.
So you would park, like, let's say I'm going to haul my car, drive out to my vacant, remote tiny home, pull up in this, and this becomes my power station for my tiny home.
Exactly.
Portable power.
It has a 30 amp, a 50 amp, and a 120, so you can plug a bunch of extension cords in, or you could plug a 50 amp service into it, just like a regular house. So if you had a generator inlet on your house, when you take this back to your house from your cabin, you could plug your house in and run your house.
Wow. Unbelievable.
It'll automatically switch back and forth to the grid if the batteries go too low and charge the batteries.
So this is called EcoTow Solar Trailers. EcoTow Solar Trailer.
I don't know if you want that flyer and carry that
Well,
around. But
definitely I'll post
actually,
it.
Let me give you a few cards because, who knows? You might see someone that
It's a great idea.
needs power out in the boondocks. And then maybe you could wrap it into the loan.
Right.
You know what I mean? Just get a bigger loan.
So what inspired you to do this?
We had my son sold rooftop solar.
Okay.
And those guys, he didn't like what he had to say to sell a solar system.
Yeah.
Because they're not moral, those people.
Yes.
And,
very familiar.
And we had a customer that wanted solar, but he was having problems with the city getting a permit. Oh, I'd like to point this out really quick. This does not require a permit.
This does not require a permit.
Because it's on wheels. It's a mobile generator.
Got it.
So you can run everything with no permit.
And you're creating all that energy just from solar panels.
Yes. So this guy wanted solar, and I also own a trailer retail business,
Okay.
the Trailer Zone, and so we just came up with the idea of putting solar panels on a trailer, and then it just evolved over the last year into.
What a great idea, Scott. Awesome.
So you can park this and adjust it, point the panels at the sun.
Yep.
If you were home and you wanted to really maximize it, in the morning you could point them in the direction of the sun.
Yep.
And then afternoon you could go straight up, and then in the evening, really maximize your power, which is what I do when I work in my house.
Right. Definitely, I will, if I can use you as a resource, I'll definitely put you on our website because it's something to let tiny home owners who want to go rogue have a power source. This is great.